Your peace matters. Chosen ones, your peace absolutely matters. And you need to instill that into your blood, into your DNA, into your daily life activities, okay? Because chosen ones, we are the most peaceful, loving, docile beings on this face of the planet Earth. You feel me? But yet some people intentionally and unintentionally try to trigger us. Feel me? And 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 chosen ones, your peace is a high value commodity out here for real. And it's like they got a hit out on your it's like they got a hit out on your piece. Feel me? There's a wanted sign for your piece. You get what I'm saying? Picture a wanted poster, right? And picture your piece, whatever it looks like, and they got that picture on the wanted poster. Freaking $10,000, $20,000. It says, "Ruin chosen one's piece. Receive $10,000 blessing." It be like that. And it don't be a blessing. It actually be a blessed sin. Because a blessed sin. You get what I'm saying? Because those people, the Satan's children that try to attack us, yeah, those are blessed sins. You get what I'm saying? Don't let your peace get rocked, rattled, shattered in this 3D plane of existence. Because like I said, it's like they're just like adjusted to making sure your peace is dismantled. Like, I don't know how, any other way to put it, bro. Like, and sis, ma'am, sir, bro, sis, I have no idea how to put it in any other term or way. Like, your peace is a high valued commodity out here. So stop giving it for free and stop giving it to people who are full of chaos. Oh, there are some people in your life, and I know you know it. I'm going to point to you right now because you know and I know. No, you know that I know that you know that I know. That, you know what I'm saying? For real, you know it, bro. Ma'am, sir, bro, sis, you know it. There's somebody chaotic in your life right now. Oh, sis, you probably got this chaotic ass girlfriend in your life. She's all up and down the streets. Maybe you used to be with her doing some more freaky deaky and all, you know what I'm saying? Y'all going out having fun when I was younger, but then, you know what I'm saying? Maybe things got real for you. Like, you started realizing, like, asking questions about yourself, your reality, and just things that you try to ask your girlfriend, you know what I mean? She's still on that, you know. You try to talk about some real life stuff, like you try to talk about the 4D and the 3D, and she want to talk about Cardi B and TMZ. Like, like, come on, man. Like, yeah, oh, come on, man. Where they do that at? Like, you know what I'm saying, fellas? You know what I'm saying? Maybe at one point in time, you and your boy, you know what I'm saying? That was your, you know what I mean? That was your ace boom coon, you know what I mean? Your little evil twin buddy, feel me? Y'all used to like, y'all, you know what I mean? Be everywhere doing everything, you know what I mean? And then maybe just at one point in life, you started looking at yourself in the mirror. You started looking at your hands like, yo, like, what is this life that I'm living? Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, what? You know what I mean? Because you started noticing, like, something just don't feel right. Just something, you know what I mean? And it was bothering you, and then you started to do some digging because, man, we always gonna get down to the nitty gritty of what's going on inside of us. Feel me? At least chosen one, man, not the LTSOs. And speaking of the LTSOs, this video is strictly for chosen ones and not the LTSOs, the less than smart ones. And you know why? Say it with me. They will never understand what I'm talking about. Feel me? They'll just swipe right, swipe left, swipe up, back out, whatever the fuck. Anyways, chosen ones, I've been ranting though. Listen, man, just keep doing your thing, man. I love most of y'all. Yo, hit me in the comment section too, for real. I got my life in the comment section. One love.